Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Fatini Jasmina binti Aidi. I am in year 5. I'm from SK Lubuk Darat Sepitang and my school code is XBA 6209. For more than 100 books I read for years, I really want to review my favorite storybook entitled The Secret of Moon Castle by Enid Blyton. The first edition was published on 1st January 1953, and I've read the fourth edition which published in February 25, 2013, and it contains 198 pages. In The Secret of Moon Castle storybook, Enid Blyton takes readers on another thrilling adventure with the 5 friends, Pat, Maureen, Jack, Nora, and Mike. As they spend their holiday in a mysterious, ancient castle in Ireland. The castle, surrounded by dark legends and eerie tales, is said to hold secrets, and perhaps even a haunting past. Strange noises, secret passages, and unexplained events build suspense as the children uncover the truth behind the castle's mysteries. Here are the main characters in The Secret of Moon Castle by Enid Blyton. The main characters are Pat, Maureen, Jack, and Mike. But my favorite character in this story is Nora because she is friendly and kind. Nora adds balance to the group. She may be scared at times but still supports the others. For my review, Blyton continues to deliver her classic storytelling style. Simple, engaging, and full of curiosity and courage. The castle setting is atmospheric and richly described, sparking the imagination. The children's teamwork and bravery stand out as they unravel the secrets within Moon Castle. The story maintains a good pace and blends mystery and adventure well, though some parts may feel slightly dated to modern readers. Still, it's an enjoyable read for young audiences and nostalgic for older ones familiar with Blyton's work. Here are some moral values found in The Secret of Moon Castle by Enid Blyton. They are, first, courage. The children face mysterious and sometimes scary situations but stay brave and explore the unknown. Second, teamwork. They work together, support one another, and solve problems as a group, showing the power of cooperation. Third, curiosity and learning. Their desire to explore and find the truth shows how curiosity leads to discovery and learning. For my opinion, I enjoyed this book because it was exciting and full of mystery. The characters are brave and smart, and I like how they solve puzzles together. The story kept me interested from beginning to the end. The Secret of Moon Castle is a delightful and exciting read for children who enjoy mystery and adventure, especially in a historical, slightly spooky setting. It's a great introduction to Enid Blyton's extensive library of adventure tales. This storybook is recommended. That's all. Thanks for lending me your ears. Bye!